Greetings parents and children, hope everybody's well. My name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Today we are going to have our Luganda lesson 5. Soma Luganda. We are going to learn about question words, ebigambo ebibuuza. These question words are called interrogatives in English. In Luganda, okubuuza ebibuuzo. Our first word is where. In Luganda we say wa. Where, wa. Where are you going? Ogenda wa. Ogenda wa. Where are you from? Ova wa. Ova wa. Where to? Olaga wa. Olaga wa. Second word is what. In Luganda, chi. What? Chi. What is it? Chichi. Chichi. What are you doing? Or what do you do? Okolachi. Okolachi. What is this? Chino, chichi. Chino, chichi. What are you laughing at? Osekachi. Osekachi. Third word is when. In Luganda we say di. When? Di. When are you going? Ogenda di. Ogenda di. When are you coming? Ojadi. Ojadi. When are you cooking? Ofumba di. Ofumba di. Fourth word is why. Lwachi. Why? Lwachi. Why are you so loud? Lwachi owogana. Lwachi owogana. Why are you crying? Lwachi okaaba. Lwachi okaaba. Why are you not eating? Lwachi tolya. Lwachi tolya. Our fifth word is who. Ani. Who? Ani. Who are you? Gwe ani. Gwe ani. Who is this? Ani ono. Ani ono. Who is coming? Ani ajja. Ani ajja. Another word is how. Chitya. How? Chitya. How is it? Chiri chitya. How is it? Chiri chitya. How are you? Olyo otya. O olyo otya. Olyo otya. You can write it as one word and say olyo otya. Olyo otya. How many or how much? Meka. So if you say how much money, you say meka. How much? Meka. And if you say how many, like people, how many, you say bameka. Bameka. That's the end of our lesson 5. Enkomerero essomo eryokutaano. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed the other lessons, you can find them on my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket. Judy's Basket. And when you get there, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Mwebale. Thank you. Mwebale. Mwebale if I'm thanking many people. Webale if I thank one person. Webale. Goodbye. Mweraba. Goodbye. Mweraba. If I'm saying goodbye to many people, I say mweraba. But if it's one person, I say weraba. Weraba. Thank you for listening. Hopefully you learned something out of this, and hope to hear from you again. Thank you so much. Bye.